Hey, what is going on, guys, fellow beginners and wannabe crypto traders? Today, we're gonna be talking about something really crazy, and that is what is gonna be happening over the weekend. Low liquidity, loads of stuff happening. Let's not waste any more time and jump straight into that. Alright guys, here we are on Bitcoin on the 1 hourly time frame chart. And basically, as we know, on the weekends we are seeing sometimes crazy moves, but those stay still very compact because there's only 2 days of trading that can happen. So basically, we're gonna be taking our top range right here, extending that one, and from what you can see, these are basically the levels that we are able to expect. Either if we start breaking to the upside, we would be targeting once again 25,000 levels, or if we start breaking below of this line right here, actually get rejected once again, we are going to be going to 23,000 or possibly even to $22,500. Now, once again, please remember to the rules of trading and how to use all of that, because it's very important for you guys to know. You cannot just say, oh, I have the feeling that this weekend it's gonna go up, and then just long, and then out of nowhere, everything just starts nuking, and you get the liquidation notice from Binance. So basically, what you're gonna be doing is, you're gonna be taking a look exactly at these levels, exactly at these trend lines right here. You're gonna be making sure, make really sure that you put these trend lines right here, and once it breaks down, and especially once it breaks down right here below $23,740, you know this is no zone, like a really no zone for longs. Obviously, in case we stay above here and the Friday goes in smoothly and nicely, and then on Saturday we're still here above $23,700, that's all good, and we're going to be riding and trying to ride this wave all the way up to 25,000. And now over to Ethereum. Now, guys, look at this Ethereum pattern that we are seeing right here. Once again, Ethereum with a similar wedge as we have seen a couple of times before. It is very significant. It has many touches, and it has been getting rejected a lot of times over and over again. If we adjust the support right here, we're actually on the verge of breaking to the downside. So technically, over the weekend, maybe even today, we might be seeing a small move, well, technically big or small, depending on your leverage, of 2.9% to the downside, which then from here on, I would believe that we would be taking this liquidity right here, maybe even wicking below, so that would bring us to $1,590. Or if we say we are bullish and we do see a sudden breakout right here, similar to what we saw previously on Bitcoin, we would be targeting $1,720 right here. Obviously, wait for the confirmation. If you miss the confirmation, the initial move, wait for the retest, and then go with the flow. Never try to predict or try to get your crystal ball out. Trust me, on weekends, crystal balls don't work. And right here to Matic on the 1 hourly time frame chart. Now, Matic, one of our most beloved coins, is actually trending down like crazy. It has still not broken down this downtrend resistance line. Let me adjust it, make it a little bit nicer right here. So we have the significant touches, we have the fake outs right here, the liquidity grabs, everything. Now, what I do believe is whenever I see such a very flat support and very flat pattern, you can expect stuff like this happening, where the price is going to move quickly down and then very fast back in again, chop around, and then boom to the upside. Or if the bears are really strong, and this is just the beginning of what we're seeing right now, then it's gonna wick below, retest with low volume, with this volume Basically, the volume candles are going lower, 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 lower as the price goes up and up and up and up and up. And in that case, you know exactly that this is just a bearish retest. And then basically the price moves down, it retests with low volume, and then you're short right here, and then bam, it just goes and smacks it back down to the next key level. Now, guys, over to Solana to spice it up a little bit. Also in the 1 hourly time frame, right here, what we are seeing, Solana is actually trending down right now with this downtrend. Oh my gosh, what happened right here? So with this downtrend right here, it is trending down. We are seeing something similar to what we see in a bull flag, just right here, a little bit as a bear flag. If this actually continues downwards, because we did break this beautiful uptrend, we did retest the resistance, and we are just seeing this one right here. And then technically, if you're speaking in a bearish scenario, you would see the similar move to the downside, more or less to the $20, $21 range. This is where Solana would be very, very nice to see, unless, I do have to admit it, unless we do see already on Friday the move down here to 22.75. If this move already happens on a Friday, then most of the time you can expect the weekend to be trending back up and reversing this entire downtrend that it has been doing. So this would be my prediction right here. Obviously, always keep and stick to the rules. If this, then that. Never just go ahead and just be like, oh, I feel like this is gonna be trending down, or I feel like this is gonna be nuking, and then just starts pumping like crazy, and then you're like, oh, liquidated once again. All right, guys, because we do have still a little bit of time left, let's do the 1 hourly on LICON as well. And right here, we can also see a beautiful downtrending resistance on LICON on the 1 hourly. Now, what I do not like about this very much is whenever you do have this downtrending resistance with a very flat support, this, I have to admit, usually does tend to break to the downside. Now, if we do see this possible downside once again, possibly even on a Friday night, this could be leading us down to $90, $91. This could be actually a very good area to be buying into LICON right before the weekend starts, because we would be grabbing and taking out all the stops, all the liquidations right below these two levels. And once this is taken, we do have the liquidity and the power to just start pushing to the upside again, reclaiming level by level and going to $100 and above. So LICON at the moment is still not dead to me. I have to admit it. It's still actually very bullish if you do look at higher time frames, but we want to be ready for the weekend. And right now, what I see right here is that there is a huge possibility of LICON breaking to the downside. Obviously, if for some reason this decides to make whoop, this one right here, obviously we would be waiting for the beautiful breakout, a retest, and on this nice retest with also once again lowering volume, on this retest we would be buying in and riding the wave to $100 and above. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope now you're really ready for the weekend and all the crazy trading that is gonna be happening over the next couple of days. Let me know in the comments below what other coins I should be looking at, and maybe some other techniques I should be showing you guys on how I'm gonna be taking my positions. So at the moment, I'm mostly being ready to buy the dip, not necessarily short. On some coins short, on some coins I'm just flat waiting for the dip to buy. Obviously, if we do see a nice breakout, I'm gonna be buying into that breakout and just riding the wave to the upside. Alright guys, thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video that is gonna be coming out very, very soon, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, Kong, peace out.